Hello and welcome to the video, How to Create an IRBNet Project. This video will take you through the process of creating a new project in IRBNet. If you haven't yet, be sure to watch the video titled, How to Use IRBNet before diving into this one. If you need to create a subsequent package within the project, for example, an amendment or a study closure report, you'll want to watch those specific videos. This video will be most helpful for new users and users who would like a refresher. There's a lot that happens after creating an IRBNet project, such as sharing the project with other research personnel and submitting the project. Those processes are covered in other videos. In this video, after creating the project, we'll learn about the package's homepage, we'll locate, download, and upload forms and other materials, and we'll link relevant city training to the package. First, let's create a new project. On the My Projects page, click the tab on the left titled Create New Project. You can use any title you want that describes a project, but we suggest you keep the title the same as it's used in other places, such as grant proposals. If you're the principal investigator, or PI, your name goes here. The PI is the DU investigator that leads the project. You can create and work on this project without being the PI, such as if you're a research assistant, so type the PI's name if that's the case. Students can also be a PI, but must also have a faculty sponsor. Clicking the Continue button will take you to the Designer page, which is where most of your work on IRBNet will occur. On this page, you'll be able to download and upload required documents and forms, and link city training for this specific package. Now you can start to complete the required documents and forms. These forms update frequently, so you'll always want to download them here or on our website, rather than using documents previously downloaded by you or someone else. Select University of Denver IRB, and then search for the document you need. If you're not sure what you need, start with the relevant checklist and click Download. Once you've completed each required document, return to this page to attach it. Consistency and clarity across all documents are required before your project can be approved. If you're a student, your faculty sponsor will be a wonderful resource to ensure that you've hit the mark before submitting. To minimize delays in the review process, we ask that you name each document clearly and concisely so that it can be quickly located and differentiated from other documents. As long as you've uploaded city training certification to your IRBNet profile, you can link your city training documents to this package here. If you haven't uploaded your training to your profile yet, take a look at the video titled, How to Use IRBNet. A great feature here is that you can also link the city training of other research personnel with whom you shared the project. That is, if they have also uploaded their training to their IRBNet user profile. Now that you're familiar with creating a new IRBNet project, take the time you need to complete your documents. If you want to share the project with another IRBNet user, or if you're ready to sign and submit your project for review, take a look at our next videos. See you next time!